Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own YouTube channel from start to finish, step by step. Where you want to start vlogging, gaming, or tutorials, this is your complete beginner guide. So let's just jump right in. To start, you'll need a Google account. So you can go to google.com and then sign in and log in into your Gmail. If you don't have one yet, you can just create the account, choose for myself and fill in your details. So you can just after that head into youtube.com. So usually when you already sign in into Gmail, it will also make you have a YouTube account like this. As you guys can see, it will automatically made as a channel. If you don't see it or if it's not, you can just click on your profile in here at the top, and then you can just set up your channel. You can click on create channel and you need to choose a personal name or choose a custom channel name for your brand, and after that create the channel. Now your YouTube channel is ready. So if you want to customize your channel, you can just click on your photo profile again at the top, tap on view your channel in here, and then you can tap on customize channel. So in here you can add your profile picture, banner, and channel description. You guys can see in here, this is the profile picture, and this one is for the banner image, name, and descriptions. So try to make it match your theme, whether it's education, gaming, or lifestyle. You can also add social media links like Instagram or your website to appear on your banner in here. And under the layout tab, you can choose what visitors sees first, like your feature video or playlist. After you set up your channel, it's time to upload. You can just click on create at the top, upload video button, and then select your file, add the title, description, and thumbnail. And once processed, you can click on publish, and boom, your first video is live. And that's it, your YouTube channel is officially ready. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.